how to make a pizza on every grill in the world, I always say this is the most difficult thing to do on the grill because it actually shows the quality of the grill. Is the grill retaining the heat under the cover? Does it have any special features to make the pizza better? Today we are checking another gas grill, Napoleon Rogue. Let's go! Take a look how I prepared the grill. Everything is on maximum power. This grill has only 3 burners, it's small. That's why I put round table in the middle of this grill, and we'll see how it works in this setup. First, let's prepare the pizza. How to make a pizza dough you can see in the link above me, and let's go. And now let's take 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes we'll check if the pizza is perfect or should we adjust the grill settings a little bit. 3 minutes has passed, let's check the pizza. Looks quite okay. Napoleon Rogue is a quite good grill. Let's check the bottom. Ooh, a little piece of pizza was burned. This is how we can fix it. The middle burner we can turn all the way down, and now the stone will be a little bit colder. There's one more thing we can do on this grill to make this pizza look even better. Do you see this burner? This is supposed to be for the rotisserie, but most of the time I use it with pizza. And this is really perfect for pizza because we have a huge heat draft from the back, and below pizza will be safe. Let's see how it works after the adjustments. Second pizza. And now we are waiting only 2 minutes because the heat there is really huge. Let's see how it looks. With this method, it's necessary to rotate the pizza after a while. You see from this side it's really nicely done already, but the other side is still pale. Let's give this pizza another minute. And now let's check the final result. I would say it looks really amazing. Not a big difference, but still this is looking much better than just a pale pizza. And the most significant difference is the bottom of the pizza. This one is really perfect. As you see, this grill is really quite okay for making pizza, but you can always make small adjustments if you have additional burners. Take care and let me know what other grills you want to see tested by me with pizza.